now, my ex-business partner, you all know him from previous videos. He's got my tire in. He's had my tire in. I've been forgetting, man. I've been forgetting. So, you know, he blew me up today and said today I need to come on and get this tire. So I'm headed over there and I'm gonna get the tire. Then probably tomorrow we'll get it fixed, because I don't like having different brands on, you know, my cars. I like one brand, you know. That's kind of ghetto at the end of the day, having 2-3 different tire brands. So I'm not with that. So I'm gonna go pick up this tire and we're gonna change it out tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm talking to Alan right now. We're texting back and forth. How many of you remember Alan from the motorcycle video a few months back? Anyhow, if you are a tried and true subscriber, you remember my boy Alan. Anyhow, we are talking about taking a ride. Hit me down in the comment section and let me know how many of you guys want to see some motorcycle content, because that's coming either way. That's coming either way, baby. So I just got off the phone with David. He just called me, gave me an update on the BMW. The BMW is looking more problematic now more than ever. However, David he's really good. He is really good at what he does. And again, I believe in him. I trust in his work. I know a lot of you guys out there sub the channel because of this car. So I'm not gonna let you down. We're gonna build this car, man. We're gonna build this car, because any car that I get, I'm gonna want to replace it with the same thing. So why get a new one and just have to, you know, do all the little problems that the next one has all over again? So we're gonna stick with this one, man, and we're gonna make it work. Uh-oh, the popos. The popos, they ready to spring into action. But not me. I'm straight now. We good here on Channel Pretty. You feel me? Shoot. Watch when he come out looking like Grimace. Remember Grimace from the McDonald's commercial? Look at him. Look at him. Big old ass boy. Grimace. That's why he ain't on the commercial no more. He retired in Southern Highlands.
I ain't fucking with you, man. All right,
See you, my dude. Look at the hump. Yeah. Look at Big D. Big D. Come through in the clutch. I know. I was just telling my subs I had this doggone thing over here for days, and you had to keep on reminding me. Hey Alan, look at that. Yeah. Now I gotta go get some groceries. Now how I'm gonna do this? I'll tell you. Yo, so Big D just got a new truck. Look at this GMC. This joint is clean, yo. Is it unlocked?
Yeah, it's unlocked.
I know it's dark out here, y'all can't really see. But this joint, yo, he sent me some pictures. Look at this joint, nice. Nice leather, clean. This thing don't even look like it was used, really. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is nice, dog.
Back seat's never even been sat in.
Yeah, it looks like it.
And she got the WeatherTech mats.
That's dope, yo. That's what's up.
Got the...
Oh, the automatic start. All right. The flexing has begun. Did you do this?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yo, those are fly. Those is fly. Yeah. See, I told y'all, man, just hit me up in my DMs. If y'all want some aftermarket headlights, aftermarket tail lights, grills, whatever you need, man. You know, whatever you need, hit me up in my DMs or hit me on my IG at Channel Pretty, channel__pretty on Instagram. and I will connect you with Big D, and he will hook you up.
That motherfucker heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. You heavy too, Heavy D.
Ain't got no shit in here?
Yeah, right there.
I was about to say, those black motherfuckers just be driving with no safety precautions at all.
You see all the new LED lights?
They look nice.
I'm gonna do the tail lights next. Oops, you guys ain't hear that. You ain't hear that.
The DVD in motion?
Yeah, DVD in motion.
Which means is a lot of people don't want to swap out the radio because, you know, the dash gets look funky. It doesn't look like it's stock. So like on my truck, it has the factory DVD, navigation, all that stuff. But the front DVD screen only plays when I'm in park, but I'm not gonna sit there and watch a movie in my car,
right,
like I watch it in the house. So this module that connects to the actual unit will bypass that system, and I'll be able to watch the movie
while you're driving.
While I'm driving.
On the go.
Also, because mine has the extra plug in the back, the auxiliary, I can actually update my head unit to have Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay also, which the guy was telling me I'll be able to play Netflix or YouTube.
I got that in here, baby.
Yeah, while I'm driving, but it'll be off my factory unit where I don't have to buy a whole different unit.
Right.
And it'll be factory, my controls will still work and all that good stuff.
Right.
Well, that's what it is.
That's what's up.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
But yeah,
all right.
I'll get you going.
All right, yo. Good looking. I appreciate it, yo.
No problem, brother.
All right. What was that?
Tips are appreciated.
You know, you still owe me a charger, you know.
Just take that off the top right there.
Yeah, right. I'll give you something to take off the top. How many of y'all got boys like Big D? Huh? He owe you something, but he want a tip? I got a tip. I got a tip for him. Wash your hands before you eat. It's COVID out there. So I thought I would be taking the Audi to get this tire changed, but no drama don't want to drive this big old tank. So we're definitely doing that tomorrow, not tonight. All right, that's done. Just finished my my pre-Thanksgiving grocery shopping. So I'm gonna call it a night, and we're gonna continue this tomorrow when the Audi is here. As you see, I have the brand new tire here, and this is gonna get installed tomorrow. Blood clot. Okay, we finally getting this done. Finally. So how about this? 66 Cobra. Try that on for size. Oh man, I'm out of luck. They closed today. Well, I guess tomorrow. Mañana. Just a quick side note for all of you guys who like my dog, who ask me questions about this monster. Okay? He's beautiful. He's a great companion. They all are great companions, love to play, all that. But you got to be a cleaning person to have one of these guys. You know, you got to have a lot of patience, and you got to have a lot of cleaning ability, because I do this every day, every single morning. Okay? After I pick that up, then I steam clean this whole area. This whole area. Every day, every morning. So just take that into consideration if you love these type of dogs. Now, back to our regularly scheduled programming. Another day, another try. So listen, man, we're gonna try one more again to change this tire. It's been, I've never had a harder time trying to change a tire, man. It's simple as changing a tire. But one day, you know, no drama comes home, and you know, I obviously need the car to change the tire. Another time, the place is closed. I forgot what happened, but you know, that time. But I don't know. We're gonna try again now. So let's see if we can make this happen. All right, they're open. I don't know why they wouldn't be. So I guess from here it's just a waiting game. Yo, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. Long story short, it's a 3-hour wait. And I'm not about to sit here for 3 hours. So I just set an appointment for tomorrow, same time, same bat channel, and that's it. And we'll be here tomorrow. Yo. Remember I told you guys that I had a shop? Well, guess where I am? This was my shop, me and Big D. So it's a tire shop now. Don't even ask me how to pronounce that. But instead of waiting for tomorrow to do my tire, I was in the area, so I just was like, yo, let me bring it over here, man, and let them, you know, hook me up real quick, because they're never that busy, like 2-3 hours ahead of time. But this is it, man. This is my old shop. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you inside. Let me show you what I did to this bathroom. Pretty much the same except for the flooring. Different roof. I put those lights in. We had a big window right here, and behind here was where we did all the inventory. And I had a little window here. They covered the window up. And this is the bathroom. I had these tiles in my house sitting in the garage doing nothing. So when we redid this bathroom, I got a new light. I got that light for what is it, like one of those Salvation Army stores. That thing was like 20 bucks, you know, but I got this from Home Depot. We painted, tiled it out. Home Depot, the sink. Home Depot got this toilet. So you should have seen what this thing looked like before. So hit me down in the comments and let me know what you guys think of this. Let me know. This is my old shop. I miss her. Even the old pigeons in the roof. We have pigeons in the roof. Got it popping already. Just like that, we out. My man Gerado hooked me up, got me in and out, and yo, she's driving like a dream again. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put this tire back in storage and just wait for the next time it happens, because y'all see how these tires mess up. That's why I need some Pirellis, man. I need to give me some Pirellis. I should have hollered at Gerardo while I was there and asked him about some Pirellis, because I need a set of Pirellis for this. All right, but I got his numbers, his Instagram, his number. I'm gonna post his Instagram down in the description anyway. So if any of you guys need to hook up, that's where you go. His name is Gerado. Hit him up on Instagram. So holler at him. You know, if you need anything, you know, some rims, tires. You know what I'm saying? Holler at Gerado. All right, y'all, that's it. You know what I'm saying? That was the hardest tire that I've ever had to change. You know? But now it's time for me to feed my face, man. You know what I'm saying? If you guys ain't never had no Jamaican food before and you in Vegas, first time, come on over here to Paradise Place. All right? I highly recommend this. But this is the last stop on the line. And this is where it's ending from. Wait. Oh, snap. They are closed. Yo, the worst ending to any of my videos. Anyway, that's it, man. That's it. That's all. No more. I'll check y'all out on the next one, man. I'm gone. Peace.